It's really loud, guys. The video does no justice. I don't regret it, but I'm a little scared. Oh! Oh my god, the pops are insane. Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy again with another video. Today is another special video. We are going to be working on the Yamaha FZ07. As you guys can tell from the title, I got an exhaust for it, and it's a beautiful exhaust, but we're not gonna waste too much time. I know there's a lot of videos online about how to install this exhaust already, but I just want to take you guys through the process of how I'm gonna do it. But this is how the bike is right now. As you guys can see, the new decals and everything, but as you guys saw from the title and everything, I got an SC Project exhaust. Yes, sir. This thing's gonna go right here. It's gonna look so good. Just to update you guys, so I wrapped this neon, wrapped this like this kind of like graphite type of black wrap, wrapped that, and then I wrapped the rims kind of like a neon yellow fluorescent. So definitely got my inspiration from a YouTuber called Killicam. Definitely one of the top motovloggers that I like to watch. He's the one that really motivated me to inspire me to do this type of look. So just to show you guys, we're gonna start with the headers. There's like a couple screws there, and after that we're just gonna move this whole rear set right here and move it up there so we can get space to the other part of the exhaust. So we're gonna get this install going. It's not gonna take too much in terms of the install. Again, there's a lot of videos of how the install works, but yeah. All right, guys, we already started the process. We got a couple bolts here. As you guys can see, I'm just getting started on things.
What's good, people?
So there's a couple bolts in the front by the O2 center. A couple bolts like in there, that one right there, and then here, like under there. So I'm not gonna show you guys the whole process because there's mad videos on YouTube that have this, but yeah. In a couple minutes, you're gonna see the exhaust completely off. So I'll see you guys at that point. So the exhaust, we just took off the exhaust. This was probably the hardest part because of this like little bolt right over here. That part right there. That's it. The worst. Goodbye. All right, guys. So we just got started on putting the exhaust together. As you can see, oh, this is how it looks right now. It is very light, to be honest with you. Whew. We're just trying to figure out the angle of the headers because we're trying to, yeah.
All right.
You're right. You should have spun it the other way. All right, so I haven't been vlogging a lot of it because one, you guys have videos on this on YouTube, but also two, we were spending the last, what, hour?
45 minutes to hour, yeah, man, it's been so long.
The two pipes, like these pipes are different lengths. Like there's one that is longer than the other.
Dude, if you look at the pipe, I mean, can you really tell that one is longer than the other?
No, you can't. You really can't. But we were trying to mount it. Like, you see how like there's like that little spacing right here? Basically, we're trying to do the opposite of that. Don't make a mistake. Do the headers first. So we're gonna get this on, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. So we just finished installing everything. I'm telling you right now, this thing took us how long?
Almost 2 hours or something.
Like 2 hours. Also, this is Andre's fiance.
Hello, YouTube.
She came to see everything as well as Noah.
He's over it.
But anyhow, everything's all good. SC Project. There's no baffle in there. We took out the baffle as well. Everything here all worked out great. And also too, fitting this was the hardest part because honestly, it was like the angle was just hard to get, but we wiped everything down. We're gonna get our first start. This is gonna be so loud, bro.
Oh my goodness.
I'm scared. Right, yeah, sorry. That's so loud. Run away! Bro, it's too loud.
Puts my R6 to shame for sure. 100% recommended.
It's so loud. I'm gonna get a video of it riding, but that's insane. You guys, it's so loud. The ride here, it was just way too much. But yeah, so this is the ST Project exhaust. Fit was okay in the back area, a little tight, but the front was really good. So I'm gonna actually start it right now after I just got the gas, so you guys can kind of hear, I guess, kind of like a cold start. It's really loud, guys. The video does no justice. I don't know, I don't regret it, but I'm a little scared, honestly. Oh my God. My right ear is ringing. Oh my God, bro. Oh God, in the tunnel. Oh! Oh my, it's like slaps, bro. The pops, woo! God, bro, it's so loud. Oh God. God, the pops are insane. Woo! Oh, Jesus! Oh, my right ears. I can't hear in my right ear.